Now friends, exercise 7.2, it's question number 3. To conduct sport day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Here is given A, B, C and here is D. Your school ground is given ABCD. This is our school ground ABCD. Now lines have been drawn with chalk powder. ये सभी जो लाइनें हैं वो chalk powder से ड्रॉ की गई है. At the distance of 1 meter each, the distance between two parties 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. यानी ये सभी पे ऐसे फ्लावर पॉट रखे गए हैं. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही रखा है. इधर 1 2 3 4 ऐसे 100 फ्लावर पॉट्स रखे हैं. As shown in figure, Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD on the second line. निहारिका सेकंड लाइन में रन कर रही है और वो 1/4 of AD here and post a green flag. यानी वो ग्रीन फ्लैग इधर पोस्ट करेगी after completing 1/5 of AD. 1/4 of AD and post a green flag. Preet run 1/5 the distance AD on the 8 line. Preet 8 नंबर की लाइन में दौड़ रहा है. Preet is running on 8 row. Preet is running on number 8 row and he post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flag? देखो, निहारिका is running on a second line, Preet is running on a 8 line. निहारिका is running on a second line, Preet is running on a 8 number line. निहारिका caught 1/5 of AD and 1/4 of AD and Preet run 1/5 of AD. We have to find distance between green flag and red flag. After that, if Rashmi has posted a blue flag exactly halfway, निहारिका इधर ग्रीन फ्लैग पोस्ट करेगी, प्रीत रेड फ्लैग पोस्ट करेगा. वो दोनों के एग्जैक्टली बीच में रश्मि post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags. Where should she post her flag? Now friends, here ABCD is a rectangle. A is the origin. We consider A is the origin. Now AD is given 100 meter. The distance between A and D is given 100 meter. Niharika runs 1/4 of AD. So the distance covered by Niharika is equal 1/4 into 100. AD का 1/4 कर रही है 25 for car. So the answer is 25 meter. Means in second row Niharika after 25 meter, after running 25 meters, she will post her flag. यानी 25 मीटर जब आएगा तब वो अपना फ्लैग इधर पोस्ट करेगी. ओके, सो निहारिका runs in second line. So the coordinates, the coordinates of the point n. सपोज निहारिका के लिए हम n लेते हैं, प्रीत के लिए p लेंगे और रश्मि के लिए r लेंगे. n where निहारिका post the green flag are, क्या होंगे बच्चों, ध्यान रखो, this is the x axis, this is the y axis. First we have to look at the x axis. So the coordinates of n are 2 and c, देखो second row है, its coordinate are first 2. c post her flag at 25 और 6 और 100 के बीच में इधर 25 आएगा, उधर वो अपना ग्रीन फ्लैग पोस्ट करेगी. So from x axis 2 and from y axis 25. So 225 is the 2 and 25 are the coordinates of n. Similarly, Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD. So the distance covered by Preet is equal 1/5 into 100, 20 into 5, 5 cut, so it is 20 meter. In 8 row, he post his flag at 20 meter. So I write directly, similarly, we get P. कौन सी रो में दौड़ रहा है बच्चों, 8, यानी x एक्सिस पे 8 एंड y एक्सिस पे 20 आएगा. 8, 20. These are two coordinates. Now we have to find distance between these two planes. Suppose मैं इधर लिख देता हूँ, इधर 2 and 25 and here 8 and 20. 8 and 20. So we find the distance of NP is equal under root 2 minus 8 whole square plus 25 minus 20 whole square. 2 minus 8 minus 6 square. Here is 5 square. 6 square 36. 5 square 25. So NP is equal under root 61. So the distance between n and p, the distance between n and p is equal. The distance between n and p is equal under root 61 meter. We got the first answer. Now ये दोनों के एग्जैक्टली बीच में रश्मि ब्लू फ्लैग पोस्ट करेगी. Here is not the perfect value, but we take exactly, suppose here Rashmi will post the blue flag. Friends, Rashmi has posted the blue flag exactly halfway of between green flag and red flag. So the coordinates of R, first we write, अगर हम रश्मि का R बोलते हैं, this point is called R. R is midpoint of NP. R is a midpoint of NP. So using midpoint formula, so coordinates of R is equal. R is the midpoint of NP, so we write here 2 plus 8 by 2 and 25 plus 20 by 2. Midpoint find करना है using the midpoint formula. 8 plus 2 10 by 2. Here is 45 by 2. Here we find 5 and it's So we find the coordinates of r is 5 and 22.5. Now thus the distance between a red flag, green flag and red flag is under root 61 meter, under root 61 meter, and Rashmi should post the blue flag on the which lane? Here is 5 on the fifth line at the distance, कितने डिस्टेंस पे 22.5 मीटर फ्रॉम AB. ओके फ्रेंड्स, हमको ऐसे सॉल्व करना है. इट्स अ वेरी इजी सम. ओनली हमारे लिए ये दोनों थोड़ा नया है, बाकी हमको वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ डिस्टेंस एंड द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मिड पॉइंट. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.